Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating the DC 10T-UP up, and it comes with a power cord, 110 volt power cord, and set start stop switches on top, tactile, reset, start stop. It's a shift digit technology, so you're going to have your hundreds and tenths, and then your seconds. And once it gets above the seconds, 59 seconds, it shifts over to minutes and hours. It does have mounting in the back, mounting holes. I don't know if you can see that or not. These slots here, these keyhole slots, and we also provide rubber feet in case you want to set it on a horizontal surface. So DC 10T-UP. Thank you.